perfect. We are, sometimes we feel jealousy. Ikaw nga seloso ka eh.
Lo!
Sa mga anak mong ate mo. Nagbibigay ako ng ganyan.
True!
O nagsiselos ka, di ba?
It's not fair kasi.
So, sometimes, ganun din. Just to make them safe. To make Isaac safe, to make all his children will be safe. Basta there's a reason, many reasons.
Basta mini.
But in the story, about Isaac, what if Isaac safe? Yun ang reason.
Oh!
Clarification?
Nope. I understand it completely. I almost said completely.
Ano pa?
Okay, may fifth question.
Nag-aante ako ng about kay Jay kung bakit wala.
I'm thinking, okay?
Next.
My fifth question, let me take first.
Ay, may tanong na pala kami.
What?
Yung is true.
I'll think later. Okay. Why did God allow Isaac and Rebecca to have struggle with struggle with having children? Infertility?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Si Rick before, struggling and parang si parang si
Sarah.
Abraham at saka Sarai. Hindi naman matanda si Rebecca, hindi rin naman matanda si Isaac.
Rebecca is
How old?
40 years old and
Ay, may lapos.
yep, and 60 years old is Isaac.
Tanda na.
Yep. They're old as hell. Jesus, 20-year-old.
Bakit kasi ang tanda na niya? Bakit kasi hindi sila nag-asawa ng mga pa? 30.
Cannot
Before,
have.
I'm wishing to married at the age of 30. Pero ngayon, 50 ko na
Look.
Lampas na ako sa kalendaryo ng 50. Di ba 50 years old na ako?
If I'm
Hindi na ako magme-marry. Single na forever, mas masaya. Mamaya, may makarinig na taga sa atin yung mas pag-ipasalangan. Kinain niya sinabi niya. Joke lang.
So if you're 50 years old and I'm 11 years old,
Ano yung tanong ulit? Bago ko lang sinabi. I know they're struggling, di ba? Because, why God allow?
yeah,
What you think? Why God allow us to struggle sometimes, you and me? Why?
testing.
Yes. There's another more. If we struggle, what do you do? What we do?
Pray.
Oh, alam mo naman pala. So yun, ang sagot dun sa tanong mo.
I was thinking of another question and you answered my other question.
That's the reason.
You have telekinesis.
So, alam mo, yun naman ang mga ginagawa ng nag-struggle. Pag hindi ka nag-struggle, paano naman? Minsan nga, nakakalimutan ko ilang araw nang walang struggle. Nakalimutan ko ilang araw nang hindi ako mag-struggle. O, diba?
That's why you have
That's the reason why.
So,
Next question.
okay,
How
next.
about you?
I'm thinking of a question that involves Jacob. Okay, dokie. Wait, let me think.
You want this? Oh,
What's
what are
that?
you thinking? Bring it there.
Oh, thank you. The Lord has blessed
Kumain
me.
ako ng ganyan, kinain ko na ako.
The Lord has blessed me with food.
Pero,
yes.
I'm just a student.
No, it's
I'm
said.
a professional from the word of God. I'm not reading my Bible na eh. Maybe I read it, every day or even, 1 hour a day. 1 hour, I mean. It's good. But almost 2 years, I'm honestly speaking na, I never open my Bible. Laging nandiyan lang sa gilid-gilid, di ba? May
No.
time pala na in-open kapag yung pinapa-open mo, may time.
Yeah.
But not just open it, not reading it a passage finish, but not reading it seriously.
Wow.
Yeah, almost 2 years. 3 years. Ano ba ngayon? 2025 na, 2026 na.
I'm shocked. I'm just shocked. Oh! I thought of a question about Jacob.
Mhm.
Why
Hi.
did Isaac love Esau better than more than Jacob?
Sino?
Why did Isaac love
Ayaw ko rin sa isa.
Why did Isaac love Esau better than
Kasi, sa Isaac kasi lang niya si Esau. Nasa kay Jacob kasi, si Esau kasi is naghahanting, di ba, kanina?
Oh.
He was a hunter.
Oh.
Nagdadala ng food kaya, Isaac,
What a weird kind of favoritism.
because of the food. Because maybe Isaac, hunted, wild,
Boar.
ano ba yung, yeah. Masarap yun, yung favorite ko ng bata ko. Ano na kasing Tagalog mo? Baboy ramo?
Oo, babae.
Palagi nang binibigyan ng baboy ramo si Isaac. Pero ang alam ko hindi mahilig ng mga sa baboy. Sorry for the word.
Maybe deer.
Yeah, deer. Wild deer. Ganon. Ano pa ba yung mga sasarap na wild?
Buffalo.
Basta mga masasarap na wild. Basta wild
Wild chicken.
yeah. Chicken, rooster. You're right. Almost right.
Duck.
There's no
There's
Ano
duck.
kaya wild, but I don't know. I'm not sure.
No, there is. And it's considered very as a delicacy.
Yung maliliit ang paano?
Yeah.
It's not a duck. It's I don't know.
It's a bird. It's kind of bird.
It belongs to bird.
Yeah.
Okay. That's the reason why Isaac loved Esau more than Jacob because of the food, because of that deer, wild animals in the forest, in the mountains, in the wilderness.
And the somewhere. The mekus. Okay, I have a question. You said about Jacob questions, right? Why was Esau born red and hairy like a garment? Why?
Si Esau?
Yeah. It was told that he was born hairy and red.
Saan mo? Kasi parang, kasi yun?
It was like
Parang roaster ba?
yeah.
Because he born like that. He was born like that.
Huh?
Yeah, God made him like that. So what you can do? You can change it.
Is it symbolic or something?
Lord. Yes, maybe another reason is maybe there's another reason, I don't know. But it's how God
change it.
Yeah, no one can change it.
But-
Pero na lang kung magpa-Vicky-Velo siya. Pero wala noon ang Vicky-Velo. Ano advertising?
Maybe he was bullied.
What bully?
Isaw. Because of his weird appearance.
Was mo bully before?
Really?
About the physical.
Only about mental?
Now only their mentality. You cannot explain the mentality of the people nowadays.
Wow.
Mentality.
Mental. Okay.
It's a clear?
Yeah, I understand. It's simple.
And Esau and Jacob was di ba? Brother.
Yeah.
So,
Okay,
but they are same handsome. But Jacob is handsome than Esau.
Yeah, I totally agree because I don't want to marry a red and hairy man. No, like seriously, who would even do that? Who would marry a red and hairy man? You should shave.
Parang British ganun. Same as God made us a human with brown, skinny, white. You know, what's the best skin tone that God was made? You want to know? Philippines.
Cream.
Why? It's a tan.
Yeah, I like tan.
Not negro. Or not white, like yung white parang ay balat ng patay. I hate white. Especially, man with, white, pinanganak na talagang white, yung niya, skin. Even he was, handsome.
It's kind of
Parang
racist.
bakla, di ba?
True, but that's kind of racist.
Yeah. I don't like, basta, brown, tan.
This is about colorism, isn't it?
But sometimes, even we are tan, we need also to drink, skin beauties.
Glutamancy.
Shiny, super shiny skin lang.
We still need beauty. But everyone is beautiful.
Not only one. Just only calamansi, just enough.
Okay, that's a beauty hack for my dear mother, which is a model. You guys have to run that. You guys have to follow her lead for the beauty tutorial. Just drink calamansi juice daw. And you'll be beautiful forever.
For
Just
shiny skin?
Yep.
How about the lemon?
Just drink everything or eat everything my mom tells you and you will be beautiful. They say.
Alam, baka awayan ako ng foreigner, no? Sa mga foreigner naman, magaganda rin naman sila. Pero sorry my favorite skin is tan. Pero hindi ako tan eh. Tan ba ako?
You're cream.
Ano,
Cream tan. You have the perfect shade.
still naman, if God made us a different skin tone, pero we are all handsome and beautiful naman. Iayos ko na lang sinabi ko.
Yeah, because it kind of
Pero
sounds
meron
racist.
din kasi akong favorite skin naman.
It doesn't sound. Don't think it's racist.
It's my favorite skin tone kasi kaya sabi kong the best God made pero lahat naman ng ginawa ni God is the best. Diba?
Wow.